Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I am getting ready to fix a pot of neck bones, pinto beans, and white beans cooked together. So I was going to bring you along on this process. It will take a couple of hours for this to cook. So I'm going to show you from starting out. I have the neck bones in the pot. I'm going to put two bouillons, chicken bouillons or chicken broth, whichever you want to use. I'm dropping two of these in here now. I have the water to cover the neck bones. And I also have some cut up onions. I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to let them come to a boil. They will come to a boil, and then I will turn them down and let them cook on medium heat until they get a little tender. It'll probably be a little over an hour. Then I will add in the beans that I have soaking in the water right here. I have pinto beans and white beans, and I will add them into the mixture. So I'll be back when the next step comes along. The neck bones have been cooking for 1 hour. I'm getting ready to add the pinto beans, and it probably will take another hour and a half or a little more, but I'll let you know the time when I get it complete. All the beans are in, and I'm turning it up so it can come to a boil, and then I will turn it back down to medium and let it slow cook. I will be back when they are done. The neck bones, white beans, and pinto beans are done. The cornbread is out of the oven. Some fried green tomatoes, and dinner is ready. It took about 3 hours for it to cook. Here you can see, the beans, the white beans, the pinto beans, and the neck bones in it. It was, I cooked the neck bones for 1 hour. Then I put in the pinto beans. I added the pinto beans and the white beans to the mixture. And the total time was about maybe a little over 3 hours. You will have to keep adding water. You need to check it periodically and see if the water is getting low and add more water to it. You don't want it to get dry. You season to taste. I just put salt and pepper in it. That's all we wanted. And I put garlic powder and onion powder in it also. So whatever seasons you like, put in it. But I want to, there you go. Good old country meal. Neck bones, pinto beans and white beans mix, fried green tomato, and a pan of good old baked cornbread. And that will be our dinner for today. I want to thank you all for being here with me today as I prepared this meal. Yes, this was a longer cooking meal because the neck bones and the beans take longer to cook. Let me take this spoon out of here. I want to thank everybody for being here with me today. I appreciate it. I pray that this recipe bless somebody's soul. If you like country cooking, you will like this meal. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece and you are made in the image of God. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and do it. Go ahead and subscribe and become part of this family here. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Be blessed, my loves.